Lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with another Walmart Ibotta haul, guys. We've got 14 rebates I want to talk about in today's video. Plus, we have 2 bonuses that we must talk about, guys. Money, money, money. I love Ibotta money. First, guys, we've got 2 shout outs. Let's shout out Joan and Melissa. Those 2 lovely people decided to use Coupon and Crystle's referral code on Ibotta and signed up and did their first rebate. I appreciate that so very much. Thank you for thinking about Coupon and Crystle, and I appreciate that, guys. All right, so let's jump into the video. We've got 14 rebates, but I want to talk about the bonuses first. There's 2 bonuses going on. Well, the first one I knew was going on, which is the Making It Rain bonus. I posted in my community tab telling you guys that, hey, I see a bonus. Go check your Ibotta app to see how many you've got to do and what your value was, because remember, guys, that can vary. Now, for me, for the Making It Rain bonus, I actually have to do 34 rebates in order to get $10. All right. Yours may vary, could be less, could be more. I don't know. But check your account. Now, the great thing about it is that the any item in any brand is applying with this particular bonus. That is not always the case, but if you read in the bonus description, it says that, and that is great. I posted that in the community tab. I hope you guys are subscribed and did hit the bell for notifications, so you will know when I come on and post things in the community tab. I do try to do that because I think maybe you guys will see it before I get a chance to do a video, and hopefully that will alert you to go and check your bonuses, okay? All right, now the next bonus that I want to talk about is the Weekend Winter Wonderland bonus. Didn't even know I had it, okay? Didn't even know. I was supposed to do 10 rebates in order to get $5. So I got $5 this evening. Had no earthly idea that I even had the bonus. I didn't see it show up. Right, so let's jump into it. Enough of that. Now, the first rebate that I decided to do, guys, was the Dove Bar Soap. 3-pack of the Dove Bar Soap. It's priced $3.47 in my Walmart. I paid $3.47, had no coupons, but there is a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back, plus scan in store for shop kick and upload the receipt. So you're going to get 20 kicks in the store when you scan the item in the store for shop kick. Plus you're going to get back 175 kicks for uploading the receipt, for a total of 195 kicks, which is the equivalent of 78 cents. So we're going to get back a total of $1.78 for the Dove soap, making the final cost $1.69. I'm going to keep on doing this because y'all know my husband has to have bar soap in the shower along with his body wash. Okay. The next thing I did, guys, y'all know I'm going to run this in the ground till it don't reset no more, is the Mountain Dew. The Mountain Dew is a 20 ounce and it's $1.88. I had to pay $1.88 in the store. Got back my $1 Ibotta rebate. Final cost 88 cents for the Mountain Dew. Y'all, I got a whole basket full of sodas. Okay, the next rebate I did, guys, was on the Pepsi. The Pepsi is the same, $1.88, guys. I paid $1.88 in the store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be 88 cents for the Pepsi. Thank you, Ibotta. Thank you very much. The next rebate I did, guys, was on the All Free and Clear. These are the Mighty Packs. This is a 25 pack. And it was priced $4.97. I did print off $1.50 coupons.com coupon this week, actually, guys. Matter of fact, it might have been a day, okay? Paid $3.47. After the coupon, there is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.47. Yes. Now, the next rebate, guys, was on the blue bag of the All, okay? Now, this is also a 25 pack. This one was priced $4.97. There is a $1.50 coupon also for the blue that I printed off of coupons.com. I paid $3.47 in the store, got back $4. Okay, did you hear that? I got back $2 twice. I have no earthly idea why it did that, guys. I don't know. I don't care. But guess what? I'll take it. Final cost, 53-cent moneymaker. The next thing that I decided to get, guys, was the Snuggle Exhilarations. I love these little things. These are little packs, little scent boosters, and you throw it in your laundry. All right, so they were priced $3.97. I did not have a coupon for this, so I had to pay $3.97 in the store. There is a $2.50 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.47. Next thing that I got was the Tresemme. I actually got 2 shampoo bottles. So these were $3.98 each for a total of $7.96. I bought 2. You don't have to for the rebate. I did that because I used the $5 off of 2 coupon that's coming in this Sunday's Retail Me Not, December the 6th. Okay, so I paid, after the $5 coupon, $2.96. I got back $1 Ibotta rebate for each one, making the final cost, I got $2 back, final cost 96 cents for 2 bottles of shampoo. Next thing I got, guys, was the Nivea lotion. My husband and I will use Nivea every day, so I cannot have enough of this product. $5.48 was the Nivea lotion. I used a $2 coupons.com coupon, and I do not believe that is available anymore, guys. But of course, what do I say? When you see the high value coupons, you print them. You never know what's going to come up on sale. Okay. So I paid $3.48 in the store. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.48 for the Nivea. I love getting stuff for low prices, darn near free. The next thing that I got was my deodorant, the Dove. Now this is actually the Dove Advanced Care deodorant, and it was priced $4.88. Now there is a $1.50 coupon that is coming in the 12/6 Retail Me Not insert. So after that coupon, I paid $3.38 in the store. There is a $1.75 Ibotta rebate. Final cost $1.63 for the Dove Advanced Care deodorant. Next thing I got, guys, was the Dove Even Tone deodorant. All right. It was priced $4.88 as well. I used a $1.50 coupons.com coupon this time. Okay. Now, I paid $3.38 in the store. There is a $1.75 Ibotta rebate. Final cost $1.63 for my Dove. I got enough Dove to give away. I got so much Dove. The next thing that I did, guys, was prepping. We got some prepper products over here. We got some canned goods because we stocking up for the winter. Okay, stock up, stock up. Now, I actually got 4. I got 4, but you don't have to because the rebate is for 3. You must buy 3 for the rebate. But the reason why I got the 4 is because I used a coupon that requires you to purchase 4. Okay. So they were 98 cents each for a total of $3.92. I used the 50 cents coupon from the 11-1 Smart Source. That made me have to pay $3.42 in the store. Then I got back a 50 cents Ibotta rebate for the beans, and there is a 10-cent any bean rebate. Yes. Remember what I told you? That the any and any brand, any item, any brand is working with that $10 bonus. Okay. So I got back a total of 60 cents for the green beans, making the final cost $2.82 for 4 cans, or a little over what, 70 cents each. Not too bad. Not bad at all, considering that's Del Monte, hunty. We need them green beans. The next thing that I decided to do, guys, was the Trident gum. The Trident gum was priced $1.12. It is a BOGO rebate, which is going to give you back $1.12, but you've got to purchase the 2 items because it's buy one, get one free, okay? So I paid $2.24 in the store, got back $1.12, making the final cost be $1.12 for 2 packs of Trident Gum. Great deal. Now, the last rebate, we flew through them rebates, didn't we, guys? Was the Jello cook and serve pudding, because I'm going to make a banana pudding this weekend. I just got a taste for banana pudding. The cost was $1.28. I did not have a coupon. I paid $1.28 in store, but there is a 10-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.18 for my Jello pudding. Now, let's talk about how much everything cost. Of course, before Crystle goes to the store, she always redeems some Ibotta money. I roll some Ibotta to my PayPal, okay? Now, the total of everything was $51.78. All this lovely product. I had $13.50 worth of coupons. That dropped my cost to $38.28. Then I got back $20.82 from Ibotta in rebates. That brought it down to $17.46. Then I got that $5 that I wasn't even expecting to get. The weekend winter wonderland bonus. Didn't even know I had. That gave me $5, dropping my cost to $12.46. Then I scanned my receipt to Fetch. Fetch gave me 3,225 points, guys, which I think that's about $3.22. Okay? You better do it, Fetch. So that dropped my cost down to $9.24. And I'm going to get the 78 cents back from Shopkick. Brings it down to $8.46 for a total of all this product. Laundry, food, lotion, deodorant. That is amazing. 18 items for $8.46. That's about 46 cents an item. That is amazing. For laundry, lotion, deodorant, amazing, amazing, guys. I hope you all are able to take advantage of these bonuses with Ibotta. Get that Ibotta money, honey. Get that Ibotta money, okay? Now, if you guys are not already using Ibotta, I encourage you to do it because it will take your couponing to another level. All right? It really will. I love doing Ibotta. Ibotta is fun. I actually love planning Ibotta hauls. I really do. That's fun to me. All right, guys, that is it. Remember, click to save, and you will be amazed. If this video was helpful for you, let me know in the comments below of the video, or just put a green heart down there. Put a green heart down there if y'all like this Ibotta haul. All right? Bye-bye.